Why do we feel unmotivated? Our brain has become lazy. Our brain loves easy and instant rewards. When we constantly check our phones or watch short videos, doing harder tasks like studying or exercising feels exhausting. This is because of dopamine, the chemical responsible for pleasure, which is released in large amounts when we do easy, enjoyable activities. Lack of energy and fatigue. When we don't get enough sleep, eat unhealthy food, or stay inactive, our body naturally feels drained. It's as if our brain says, "I don't have enough energy, so I better do nothing." Hidden stress and anxiety. Sometimes, our lack of motivation comes from mental overload. Even small amounts of stress can drain our mental energy, making it hard to focus or take action. No clear goals or plans. If you don't know why you're doing something, you'll naturally feel unmotivated. Our brain needs a clear goal to stay engaged and productive. Big tasks can feel overwhelming. Instead of saying, "I have to clean the whole house," say, "I'll tidy up for just 5 minutes." Once you start, it's much easier to keep going. If you promise yourself a small reward, your brain will be more motivated. For example, tell yourself, "If I study for 30 minutes, I'll have a cup of coffee afterward." This triggers dopamine release and increases motivation. Working in the same spot every day can feel boring. Simply changing your workspace or playing some background music can make a big difference. Just 10 minutes of walking or stretching can boost your energy and focus. Exercise releases endorphins, which improve your mood and motivation. Poor sleep makes you feel sluggish and unmotivated. Try reducing screen time before bed, taking a warm shower, and sticking to a sleep routine. Feeling unmotivated is normal, but it doesn't have to last forever. With a few small changes, we can regain our energy and get things done. Now, it's your turn. Which of these tips do you find the most helpful? Or do you have your own method for overcoming laziness? Let us know in the comments.